Learn how to install the Fastmount LP-AF8A and LP-M8A clips for a sleek, low-profile panel installation. We will be working with a plywood frame and veneered MDF panels. Start by drilling a 35mm hole in the plywood frame, preparing it for the LP-AF8A clip. This will ensure a secure base for your panel installation. Press the LP-AF8A clip into the drilled hole and secure with 3 6-gauge countersunk screws. Insert the centre point into the LP-AF8A. Align the panel and press the veneered MDF panel against it to mark the spot for the LP-M8A clip. Drill a 10mm hole at 6mm deep using the drill bit from the low profile range toolkit. Locate the LP-M8A into the drilled position on the panel, then screw it into the panel using the install tool bit from the same toolkit. Ensure you have a low torque setting on your drill. Align the veneered MDF panel with the plywood frame and press it into place, achieving a low profile, secure finish. And there you have it, MDF panel installation on a plywood substrate using the LP-AF8A and LP-M8A clips. Thank you for watching our installation guide. For more information and tips, visit our website or contact our customer support.